Welcome guys to part 2. In this part we will go over links and how to link to pages. So I'm just going to delete my linked page here. And I will create a little bar here. And I'm just going to type page 1 and put a pipe symbol, page 2, and page 3. And I'm going to center this by going to the code here. So I'll highlight this and it will instantly show me where it is in code. And because it's in first column, it will center in the first column. So I'll type center and then I'll close it, and now you can see this is centered right here. Alright, now say you want to go to a page. You want to click a link and it'll take you to a page. Alright, well, I'm going to go over to my index here and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to do this 2 more times. Okay, and I'm just going to rename these. Now of course you wouldn't have page 1 link, page 2 link, things like this. This is just for an example, but it works the exact same way. Okay, so in this one I'm just going to type I'm going to type page 3 and bring that down a bit. In this one, I'm going to double click to open it up and type in page 2. And in this one, page 1. And I'm just going to hit save all. Okay, so let me just exit that out of that one. Alright, so now we have our page 1, 2, and page 3. That's the one I forgot to save. Okay, so now we'll go to save all. And link 1 no longer exists, so I'll just exit out of it. Okay, now you would put whatever you want for your different pages on the actual page itself. This is just for a demonstration. So I'll go to my index, and to link a page is really simple. You just highlight page 1 and come down here to where it says link, and this little button right here, you click and hold and drag it over to page 1. And you'll now see page 1 has changed colors and is underlined. Do the same thing, page 2 to page 2, and page 3 to page 3. Now you'll notice it's kind of hard to read what that actually looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new CSS style, which is a class this time, and I'm going to name it link. Well, actually no, I'm not. That's an HTML tag. I'm going to name it my link. Okay? And now with this, I can tell it how big I want it to be. So say I want it to be 18, and I want Arial font, so I'll select that. And color, on a blue background, white would probably be a good choice. So I'll go ahead and select white, and select none for any decoration. We don't want a line through it or anything like that. And I'll hit apply and OK. And now when I select page 1, come down to class over here and select my link, and you'll see page 1 is now bigger and white. I'll do it again with page 2 and page 3. Okay, so this is just an example of what CSS can do. Now when you go and click these, there's no underline or anything like that. If you want to bring that back, you would just double click where it says my link and unselect none and hit OK, and now they each have their underlines. Okay, so now if you click this, any of these, they will take you to their pages. So now I'm going to go to Safari and refresh my sample website here, and to show you the links work, when my mouse is over it, the mouse will change, and I'll click page 1, page 1 will change, page 2, and page 3. Now you can do the same thing to each of these 3 pages for the back. However, in the next lesson we'll go over Spry, and Spry, for a navigation bar at least, will look a little bit like this. This little bar here, and when you click something like tutorials and say Dreamweaver, it'll take you to the Dreamweaver tutorials, or it's a navigation bar, but it's more advanced than just writing a word and linking to another page. So that'll be in the future tutorials. Also shadow boxes, light boxes, JavaScript, stuff like this. So if you like these videos and are creating a website of your own, or just like watching these, please subscribe, hit the like button below, and thanks for watching.